Dubai's skies unleashed a record-breaking deluge, but was it just nature acting out or something more sinister? In April, Dubai experienced a climatic anomaly. The city, known for its arid conditions, was swamped by over a year's worth of rain in less than a day. This wasn't just an act of nature. Experts are pointing to human influences, both through climate change and potential weather manipulation. Scientists attribute this extreme weather to the ongoing climate crisis, highlighting human activities like burning fossil fuels that intensify such events by up to 40%. But there's another layer to this stormy scenario. Accusations are swirling around the possibility of weather manipulation, a concept straight out of a sci-fi novel. Could nations be weaponizing weather? This record rainfall in Dubai has sparked fears of emerging weather wars, where countries could use climate control as a tactical tool, leading to unforeseen and possibly disastrous consequences. As we continue to alter our atmosphere, the ethical and geopolitical ramifications loom large. How we address this will shape not only our weather, but our global relations in the years to come.